Hi, does the OnePlus Nord 3 have a fingerprint scanner? So the short answer is yes. This phone does come equipped with a fingerprint scan. It is designed to work quickly and accurately. To use it effectively, you should hold your finger on the scanner for about 2 seconds to ensure a successful unlock. A simple, quick touch might not be sufficient to unlock this device. If you are considering the security features on this device, the fingerprint scanner is a reliable option. It provides fast access while keeping your phone secure. To find it, just go in the Security and Privacy, then select the tab which is named Device Unlock, and after that, go in the Face and Fingerprint Unlock, select the fingerprint. Here, agree with statement of use. Enter your current lock screen PIN code. And now you need to place your finger on the sensor like that and lift when you feel a vibration. So it will take a few moments. Just hold it and lift it when you feel a vibration. And now enroll fingerprint edges like I'm doing now. And fingerprint added. We can tap the done button, and here we can just try to unlock it with our fingerprint. And yes, everything is working. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.